Hello and welcome to this episode of the Sound Workout. Today we'll focus on th and th. So thinking about how to make these two sounds, with the sound on the left, the th sound, we need to bring the teeth, the top teeth to the bottom lip, and we're sort of hissing out some air around the teeth. With the sound on the right, the th sound, we need to stick the tongue out a little bit. That's the difference. So we're also releasing air, but it's over the tongue rather than around the teeth. So they are very, very similar. The key is where you put your tongue. So what we'll do is we'll run through a set of exercises to really practice these two sounds. We'll do each exercise 3 times, so just listen and repeat. Same, but this time we want to stick out the tongue and blow the air across the tongue, sort of between the tongue and the teeth. So again, 3 times. Repeat after me. And then alternating. And the other way round. And another alternation. And finally the other way round. Well done. That one might be quite difficult because essentially in both sounds you're just hissing out air. The subtle difference is where the tongue is placed. In English you are never going to need to make either of these sounds in isolation. So this video does present them in a slightly unnatural way, but really the aim is to control what you're doing with the shape of your mouth so that when you're saying these sounds in words, you've got a better command of, in particular, the tongue for these sounds. So you could train with this video again, or you could look at the other sounds that are in the Sound Workout series. So if you check out the playlist, you'll find lots of other examples. Click to subscribe if you haven't already. There's content uploaded pretty much every day. Click like if you found this video helpful, and have a lovely day.